Have you ever felt like you gave someone your best, but they treated your presence like it meant nothing? You were always there when they needed support. You gave your time, your loyalty, your attention, and your energy. But instead of appreciating you, they started taking you for granted. The painful truth is that some people only recognize the value of something after they no longer have access to it. But Stoicism teaches us a different approach. The goal is not to hurt someone. The goal is not revenge. The goal is to become so strong, disciplined, and confident that your absence speaks louder than your presence ever did. The ancient Stoics understood that you cannot control how people treat you, but you can control how you respond. You cannot force someone to appreciate you, but you can become someone who never begs for appreciation. When you stop chasing, stop explaining, and start focusing on yourself, something changes. People begin to notice your silence. They notice your growth. They notice that the person who was always available is no longer waiting for their attention. Today, we will explore 7 Stoic ways to make them regret not valuing you, not through anger or manipulation, but through self-respect, emotional strength, and personal transformation. Because the greatest way to make someone realize your worth is to become someone who knows their own worth. Point 1. Stop seeking their approval. The first step is to stop looking for validation from people who fail to recognize your value. Many people make the mistake of constantly trying to prove themselves. They explain their feelings. They chase attention. They try harder, hoping someone will finally see their effort. But Stoicism teaches that your worth is not decided by another person's opinion. Marcus Aurelius believed that a person who depends on external approval gives away control of their own happiness. When you stop seeking approval, your energy changes. You become calmer. You become more confident. You no longer need someone else to tell you that you matter because you already understand your value. And that is when people start seeing you differently. 2. Improve yourself in silence. One of the strongest Stoic principles is quiet growth. You don't need to announce your transformation. You don't need to tell everyone that you are becoming better. Just work on yourself. Build your body. Strengthen your mind. Develop new skills. Create a better life. Real change does not need an announcement. When people see you becoming stronger, happier, and more successful without needing their attention, they begin to realize what they ignored. Your growth becomes the message. Your success becomes the answer. Asterisk 3. Stop being too available. Sometimes people stop valuing you because they believe you will always be there. When someone has unlimited access to your time and energy, they may forget that your presence is a privilege. Stoicism teaches balance. Being kind does not mean sacrificing yourself constantly. You can care about someone while still protecting your own peace. Do not always respond instantly. Do not always drop everything for someone. Do not make someone your entire world. Your time is valuable. When you respect your own time, others begin to respect it too. 4. Master your emotional control. Your greatest power is your ability to control yourself. When someone ignores you, disrespects you, or fails to appreciate you, your first reaction may be anger. But Stoics understood that emotional reactions often give other people power over you. A person who can remain calm during disappointment is a person who cannot be easily controlled. Instead of arguing, stay composed. Instead of begging for answers, choose peace. Instead of reacting emotionally, respond with wisdom. Your calmness will make people question why they no longer have the same influence over you. 5. Set boundaries and protect your energy. A person who truly values themselves understands the importance of boundaries. You cannot keep giving unlimited love, attention, and effort to someone who constantly gives you disrespect in return. Stoicism teaches that your energy should be invested wisely. Not everyone deserves access to your thoughts. Not everyone deserves your time. Not everyone deserves your loyalty. Boundaries are not about becoming cold. They are about showing yourself Enough respect to say, I deserve to be treated with the same care that I give to others. 6. Walk away when you are not valued. One of the hardest Stoic lessons is knowing when to leave. Many people stay in situations where they are ignored because they fear losing someone. But sometimes walking away is the greatest act of self-respect. Leaving does not mean you hate them. It means you understand that your peace is more important than chasing someone's attention. Who is always there? 7. Become someone they cannot replace. The final and most powerful lesson is to become the best version of yourself. Do not focus your life on making someone regret losing you. Focus on building a life that makes you proud. Become mentally stronger. Become emotionally disciplined. Become successful in your own purpose. The greatest revenge is not making someone feel pain. The greatest victory is reaching a point where their opinion no longer controls your happiness. When you become confident, peaceful, and complete on your own, people may look back and realize they lost someone valuable. But by then, you will have already moved forward. Remember this: you cannot force someone to appreciate you. You cannot force someone to see your worth, but you can choose to become someone who never needs to beg for recognition. The Stoic path is not about revenge. It is about growth. It is about discipline. It is about protecting your peace and becoming stronger through every experience. Let people underestimate you. Let them ignore you. Let them walk away, because the person who focuses on becoming better will always rise above the person who only focuses on being noticed. The people who failed to value you will understand something important. They did not lose someone ordinary. They lost someone who became impossible to replace. Stay calm. Stay powerful. Stay stoic.